Hi guys! Today we're making a gingerbread house, and we are the candy queen because we're the candy queen. So should we start? We're going to start with the back. First, we're gonna do. Are you gonna put it? Are we gonna put the frosting? Yeah, frosting. And we're going to first put it on the floor part. Oh, a little bit more. That's too much. That will look like snow. Yeah. Put a bit here so it can stand. Okay. Standing almost. And it does stand. Oh! Ah! It doesn't stand. There's not enough in the bag. Oh my god, that's a lot. Okay, is that good? If it'll be too much, it'll look like snow. Yeah, it looks straight. Just put it like. You have to put it here so it'll stick together. Like in here. This is a failure. We can't do this. Ah, how do I make it? Whoa, it worked. Ah! Damn it, she's on seed. Let's not eat them so long. Now we'll put it the front. You have the front. Yeah. Okay. We understand you. We don't. Ah! It's falling. You hold it. Okay. Ah! You didn't put it here. Ah! Like this is different to failure. Pencil and Gretel. We have to put it so that's good. I hope Pencil and Gretel don't come. And I hope the Toy Master won't come. And the Grinch. Hello, we're talking about this story. Not about other stories. Okay, now we're going to do the front. It has to have the door. Are you gonna hold it? Oh, that's hard. Stop eating. With the leftovers, we'll eat. Is it good? Hey, stop going so good. Okay. Yeah. Okay, put your side of the roof and I'll do my side with the stick. Because I haven't got it yet. But only hold it for 1 hour. Okay, it's staying. It's falling! I'm going to put some extra parts. Okay. Okay, a little bit more. So make it stay. If I can't see it, I'll just put it like this. Like that. You moved it here, it's not standing. It's falling. It's an earthquake. Hey, this is falling. That's falling too. It's all falling. It's an earthquake. There. Guys, I think you could do a better house like us. You should use your, you should tell your mom or your dad to help. Let's put a little more here. That? Yeah, that's a good idea. Stick it together. That. Guys, now we're going to decorate it, and our gingerbread house is nicely together again. So we're going to start decorating. Ah! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I need a tissue. Olivia, could you please give me that tissue? It happened to me now. I guess I need to close it like this. Olivia, could I borrow your this? Why? Because mine like ripped. Why? Can I go make it dirt? Yeah. Yours looks a little bit weird, but it's nice. Beep, beep, beep. I haven't eaten. I want to eat a candy. That'll be icing. Where's my... Almost swim. Let's say let's put it here. I'll put it at the sides. How do you like it? This side is mine. And this side is mine. We split it in half. So guys, tell us which side you like more. Comment down below. Yeah. Do you like my side more or Olivia's? So we didn't finish yet. So I guess bye. Don't forget to like,